We're making lemony rice. I've got a cup of rice and I am going to soak it in water and rinse it through. Fill, strain, fill, strain. That's what I'm gonna do. Boom. Got my washed rice. I'm gonna cut that lemon in half and juice it. I chopped up a yellow, was it yellow onion? I think so. And 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm gonna use some better than bouillon. Ooh, and guess what else? Yes. I'm gonna use vegetable oil and butter. I'm gonna heat it up at medium heat right now. Saute the onions first. I put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. The onions started to get translucent, so I added the garlic. And I'm gonna add my rice really, really quick because I don't want my garlic to burn. So like look at that. Look at that. Boom. And I got some zest from this lemon. Not the whole lemon, like half. Add the rice. Make sure you washed it really good because we don't want it to be sticky. All right, now you're gonna saute it a little bit. I added a tablespoon of better than bouillon. Okay, I'm sauteing it up. Now I'm gonna add some lemon pepper seasoning. Smells really good, FYI. Added the lemon pepper seasoning here. I'm gonna saute it some more. It's so flippin' good. I wanna get the lemon. I juiced half a lemon in there. Pinch of zest. 2 cups of water going in. Now I'm gonna bring the rice to a boil, so I gotta crank up the heat. Crank it. Before you cover it and lower it, you have to check for seasoning. I checked to make sure it tasted good. And then you can add a little bit of this, add a little bit of that. Then it tasted delicious. I brought it to a boil. I covered it. Now I lowered it to super low. Like on my stove, it's like 1.6, but no, everyone's different. It's like low, 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 low. Time for the big reveal. Boom, boom. It would be more steamy, but I already did a big reveal for TikTok. But anyway, okay, we're gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes, just like this. I'm gonna turn the heat off. Make sure all of the moisture is out. Now we're gonna fluff it up. So good. Fluffy fluff. This is the best lemon rice you're ever gonna have, and I'm really not playing with you. You'll never make another lemon rice again. This is it. Make it.